Here I have a DotNetNuke portal hosted in Microsoft Azure. Let's go ahead and log into the portal. DotNetNuke is a content management system that allows putting static and dynamic content across various pages. And some of these pages can contain dynamic content, such as data. You can see that now we have access to the page suppliers. Notice that we can now view a list of suppliers. We can edit existing suppliers as well as create new ones. You can see that our supplier has been inserted into the database and is now visible on the suppliers page. Let's go ahead and add a couple products to our supplier. We would like to use the software category. However, this category does not yet exist. So let's go ahead and create this category and upload a picture. Let's create one more product. We'll use the new category we created. You can see that the two products we created have now been attached to this supplier. The data displayed on this page can also be directly accessed by navigating to the app created with Code on Time. Let's go ahead and log in using our DotNetNuke user account. You can see that we've been signed in with our account and our picture has been transferred over. On the suppliers page, we can find our new supplier, as well as our two new products. Let's go ahead and create one more product. Let's switch back to our DotNetNuke suppliers page. Go ahead and refresh the list of products. You can see that our new product has appeared. Keep watching to learn how I built this app. The first step is to set up DotNetNuke portal in the cloud. In the Microsoft Azure portal, look for the DNN platform resource. Enter an app name, configure the SQL database, create a new server for the database. Complete the administrative account information for DotNetNuke. Configure the database information as well. The next step will be to create an app. First, let's create a database for the app in the Microsoft Azure portal. Next, let's create a web app that will be used to host the app in the cloud. Let's create an app in Code on Time Web App Generator. Connect to your Azure database. Install the Northwind sample. Create models for products, suppliers, and categories. Go ahead and generate the app. We can now test the app on our laptop. Next, let's publish this app to Azure. Select the app service that we created and press Publish. The app is now running in the cloud. Let's configure DotNetNuke for authentication from the app. Install the Cloud on Time connector for DotNetNuke. Create a new page for the authentication endpoint. Allow all users to access the page. Place the page in the sitemap. Add the Cloud on Time connector module to the page. Configure the settings. Specify the URL of your app. Next, let's add an Open Authentication registration to the app. Specify the URL of your DotNetNuke portal. Let's add a page that contains a list of suppliers. Add the Cloud on Time connector module to the page. Configure the module with the mode data presentation and specify the page URL.